Hello everyone and welcome to today's episode of Astronomy Answered Simply. Today we're going to dive right into an kind of a fun, simple question, but there's a lot more depth to it. Today's question is, what is the redshift of the Andromeda Galaxy? So what does this person mean by redshift? So as an object or a star is moving away from you, like my hands are moving away, the light appears to shift towards the red end of the spectrum. The light gets longer because the object is moving away. The wavelength gets longer. If an object is moving towards you, the wavelength gets shorter, and it's called a blue shift because it's moving towards the blue end of the light spectrum. So, the question is, what is the redshift of the Andromeda Galaxy? Well, the Andromeda Galaxy is the closest large galaxy to us. That would be at roughly 2.5 million miles away. Now, Andromeda is moving towards us. So the redshift is actually z minus 0.00042. Which is a blue shift because the Andromeda Galaxy is moving towards. So let's call this one Andromeda, even though it's 10 times the size of, or like 5 times the size of the Milky Way right here. They're moving towards each other, and slowly over the next roughly 5 billion years, these two galaxies are going to start this little magical dance where they eventually merge into one bigger, even bigger galaxy. It's going to make for really gorgeous night skies in about 3 or 4 billion years. However, we won't be here because we'll have been, the Earth will either be engulfed in our sun as it expands into a red giant, or if we're not engulfed by the sun, we're just going to be so hot because the star's outer layer is going to expand and get so close to us that it kind of boils off all our water and our planet's dead. Well, maybe we'll have moved to Mars by then. I don't know, but that's a few billion years off. We've got a little time to figure out how to move by then. I'm just hoping we do. So redshift means an object is moving away from you. Blue shift means an object is moving towards you. We know this because we can see the distortion in the wavelength of light as it moves away or closer to us. It's very hard or almost impossible with our current instruments to detect stuff that's really close by, like within a few thousand light years. But really, redshift and blue shift we use for objects that are typically extragalactic. Much easier to detect them because the redshift and blue shift is so much more noticeable. So if you want an intro or a lecture on how that works, we can go into that. But this is Astronomy Answered Simply, not explain to me the complexities of physics and light. So, if you have any questions, please, please, please ask through Quora. Send me a question through YouTube. Subscribe to my channel, please. I appreciate it. If you enjoy these videos and want more, happily send me a request for any topic you want. I'm also happy to talk to schools, and thank you. Have a great day. Keep looking up and keep learning.